Hi guys, it's Karla of Interior Design. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a beautiful dining room. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every Thursday when I release a new video. Okay, so tip number one, I say table first. Go with picking your dining room table first, then that's gonna set the tone for the rest of the area. Now, a lot of times, depending on the layout, it'll be already decided for you if you're gonna go with, say, a rectangle or an oval or a round table. In this case, we have a beautiful rectangle table. We have it in a really nice wood, simple design. So once you have your table picked out, which is really gonna be the focal point, then of course is the chairs. So I am not a fan of the matching chair set to the table. I say go with something different. So what I mean by that, you can see in this example, we've got the wood table and it's got kind of that natural, little bit almost rustic look to it. And then to offset that, it's nice to have tension in design. And when I say tension in design, it's just two opposing things or styles. So for the chairs, we went with something that's more modern, more sleek. It's in a faux leather as well, and it really works well with the material of the table. Next tip I want to say is practicality as well. So I know I'm about design and it looking good, but I also want it to be practical. So you have to think when you're choosing things for your dining room, are the kids going to be at it? Are they going to be doing art on there? How often are you entertaining? Same with the chairs, you know, sit in them, make sure it's something that's comfortable for you. These ones I know they're white, and kind of white can freak people out, but don't worry, they're wiped down super easy. So think of the practical things of what you're using your table for as well. Next tip is I want you to think of the area around your dining room. So a lot of times dining rooms can actually feel really kind of bare and unwelcoming. And the reason is we put the table in, we put the chairs in, and then often we just leave it. So if you have the space for it, I really encourage you to look at putting something like a console or a buffet. It just creates an area where you can display things that you love and add more texture to the room. I also love wallpaper if you have the space in a dining room. This dining room, we have this gorgeous wallpaper. It's kind of got this big leaf print. It almost looks like it's painted on. And then don't forget about the top of the table too. So because this is so big, again, with nothing on it, it just feels empty. So just doing something simple like a woven runner with like a wood bowl and some candles just really adds movement and texture and makes it more warm and cozy. And before starting any decorating project or designing your dining room, you need to know what your personal style is. So I've linked below my free designer style quiz. If you like this video, remember to like it, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.